good, rainy, wet, cold morning. I think we got, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches of snow. But I got the bird house mounted up there. I'm hoping that's going to stay. And I got the bird feeder right there. And I'll be able to look at them through my sliding glass door in my window. So that's cool. I have right over here a trail camera set up. We'll see what we get. That'll be cool. All right, I'm gonna let these birds feast because they were going crazy eating yesterday. I'm going back inside. It is cold today. It's a wet cold. All right, I will come back out this afternoon, pull the SD card out of that. Oh, guess I better turn it on first, huh? That would help. I don't think I turned it on. Let's find out. Hold on 1 second. Oh, let's see here. Open up. Yep, off. All right. She ready to go now. Hey, shut. There we go. Pointing right towards the back side of it. So, we'll see what happens. Ooh, almost fell down. Oh, it's wet, heavy snow. But Monday, today's Friday. Monday we're supposed to get the total eclipse, and where I live is like the epicenter of it. We are supposed to be the darkest for the longest. I'll bring you all along with that. That'll be cool. It's supposed to be sunny. All right, let's let that do its thing. We'll be back this afternoon. See you, bye.